today we start from page number 37, and it is written, read the dialogues. There are errors in the use of simple present tense and the present continuous tense. Identify the error and correct them. The senior scientist is mentioned as SS, and assistant scientist as AS. First is Mr. Morley. How is being your progress with the new experience? It should be how are you progressing with your next new experience. I do fine. It should not be do fine. I am doing fine. It should be I am doing fine. Next it is written, good. Do you face any problem currently? A time is mentioned here currently, present situation continuing, so it should be are you facing? Are you facing any problem currently? No sir, as of now I am having no problem. But I'll let you know if I am needing any help. No sir, as of now I am having no problem. But I'll let you know, keep it I will, no problem. If I am needing any help. It should be if I need any help. Great. Then we are meeting tomorrow to round this up. Further, here you have to see that I am having no problem. It should be I have. I have no problem now. Great, then we are meeting tomorrow. It is better to write we are going to meet. We are going to meet tomorrow. Because this is a fixed one. Sure, sir. Shopkeeper and a child. What do you wanting, my child? Instead of wanting, it should be what do you want, my child? I am having some artwork to do. I am requiring watercolors and brushes. So I am having some. Instead of having some, I have some artwork to do. I require watercolor and brushes. Is that so? What do you paint these days? What do you paint instead of what are you painting these days? I make a landscape painting these days. So I make a landscape painting this day. Instead write down I am painting a landscape these days. Wow, are you also needing art paper? Are you also needing make it? Wow, do you also need art paper? Yes, I do. Please giving me 5 sheets of art paper. It should be please give me 1 box of watercolor and 3 paint brushes. Sure, just wait. I take out the things from the shelf for you. I take out going to be I am taking out. Thanks. Next page. Now it is given present perfect tense. Action completed in the immediate past. That means just done. Action in past, the time of which is neither given nor identified. Just like this one, action started in the past and continuing up to present moment. That means till now going on. I have just shifted to my neighborhood. That means that is just done. Mita has just completed her assignment. Next, Uncle John has been to America several times. We have never known him really well. And here, the Marathas have lived here for ages. We have not met her since Sunday. Remember, we do not use expressions such as yesterday, last week, last year, and so on with the present perfect form. These expressions are indicative of past and are thus used this past tense. So if you use any kind of time, if you mention time, then it cannot be any more present perfect tense. It will go to the past tense. Take the current present form of the verb. Manasvi has bought, has bought a new cart, has bought. Have cut, has she started? Has she start? It should be has she started. I have worked. It should be worked. The weather has been or has been. It should be has been. We have just reached. Have just reached. It should be the first one. Hey, let us celebrate our win. We have not had. We have not had a party in ages. We have not had. Have you seen? Have you saw my book that was lying here a few moments ago? Have you seen? So these are the points here. She is really tired. She has walking all the way from library. She has walked. They have already informed me about their visit. They have already informed. This one. Next, read these sentences. I have been teaching for past 20 years. So one action that started long back until now it is going on. And the time is also mentioned. The team members have been demanding a change in captaincy since July. We use present perfect continuous tense to talk about action that began in the past and still going on. Remember, we normally use since, for, even we use from with these sentences. While since is used for specific points in time, since last year, since Christmas, since 1978, since Monday, for is used for duration, for last week, for 2 years, for many months. Now let us see in the present perfect continuous tense. Add since or for. Rahul study library morning. Rahul has been studying in the library since morning. Strong wind have been blowing for 2 hours. This government rule last 5 years. This government has been ruling for last 5 years. Children watch television. So what should we make out of this? Look, children watch television morning. Children have been watching television since morning. So these are the 3 pages for today. The next video will go through the next one. So today we have done present perfect tense and present perfect continuous. So write down these things which are written here on the pages. Thank you.